down the hall. Sit down! Keep your head down. Heading to the rear exit. Stay down, I don't know how many more there are. Stay down, I don't know how many more there are. North clear, no target.
He's got a gun. Oh man.
Where is this asshole?
Let's... You, check down the hall.
He's got a gun. Joel, there's the exit.
I see it.
There's stairs over there.
Stay low.
No target. I repeat, no target.
There's a soldier over there.
Good. Hold your position and wait for reinforcements.
Copy that.
How the hell are you breathing in this stuff?
I wasn't lying to you.
Did you spot him?
No, place is empty.
I'm going over this way. Go check over there.
We'll figure something out.
Ellie?
You're not gonna leave me here, right?
Stay put.
Not going anywhere. Anything down there?
It's a dead end.
Get on.
Really?
Ellie,
Okay. Be careful.
I got you. I got it. All right. Let's get out of here.
Hey, look, about Tess. I don't even know what
Here's how this thing's gonna play out. You don't bring up Tess. Ever. Matter of fact, we just keep our histories to ourselves. Secondly, don't tell anybody about your condition They think you're crazy, they'll try to kill you. And lastly, you do what I say, when I say it. We clear?
Sure.
Repeat it.
What you say goes.
Good. Now there's a town a few miles north of here. There's a fella there that owes me some favors. Good chance he could get us a car.
Okay.
Let's get a move on. Now, there we go. Yeah, it'll be faster to go through here.
Man,
What?
nothing. It's just... I've never seen anything like this, that's all.
You mean the woods?
Yeah. Never walked through the woods. It's kind of cool. Why don't you just take me back to Marlene?
If she was up to the task, why'd she drop you off on us?
Well, maybe she's better now.
Kid, I don't mean to upset you, but your friend's chances of survival weren't too high to begin with.
She's a lot tougher than you think.
It don't matter. 'Cause I doubt I can get either one of us back into the city in one piece. Trust me. I wish there was some other option. Oh, shit.
Should we climb it?
No. Wire on the top of it. We gotta find a way to go around.
Whoa, look!
Here we go. You, Bill?
Where do you usually meet him?
Huh? Different places.
You've never been here, have you?
I know this is where he lives, but no, I ain't never been here personally.
Come on, think that's him?
Sure as hell better be.
Check it out then.
All right, come on. Through here. Just give me a second. Are you all right? You don't know how to whistle.
Oh my god!
Stay back.
Holy shit.
Shit. It's jammed from the other side.
Here, boost me up.
No, that's not such a good idea.
Well, I can't boost you up. How else are we gonna open it?
All right. Give me your foot. Now, just open it. Nothing else.
Sure thing.
Careful.
Let's see. Okay. Ta-da!
Good job.
Thank you. So let's say we get a car from this buddy of yours. Then what?
Well, then we go find Tommy.
Marlene said he's your brother?
And more importantly, he was a firefly. He'd know where to take you.
Okay.
He lives far from here, which is why we need the car.
Whoa. Look at this place. Man, this is kind of sad.
What is?
All this music that's just sitting here. No one's around to listen to it. I don't know. Doesn't seem right.
Jesus!
Whoa, Nelly. What the hell was that?
That would be one of Bill's traps.
Your friend a bit paranoid, maybe?
That's putting it lightly.
What's the deal with this guy?
Well, he helped us smuggle stuff into the cities. He knows how to find things.
Well, let's hope we don't blow up trying to find him.
Just watch your step, you'll be fine. It's all clear, come on up.
All right.
Here. I can actually use this. Shit.
Jesus, Joel.
Now listen. Bill ain't exactly the most stable of individuals. So when we get there, you let me do the talking. You understand?
I understand.
You gotta be clear on this. You don't take too kindly to strangers. See that wire? Stay underneath it, okay? Just keep your head low and you'll be fine.
All right.
Yeah.
Shit, you're gonna go in there.
I want to see what we can find.
You're gonna find my body when I die from a heart attack.
Don't worry. I got this. Oh, shit.
Jeez! That thing scared the shit out of me.
Well, while we're here, let's search the place.
You think they ever found each other?
How the hell would I know? Let's get the hell out of here. Shh, look at this. All right, stand back.
All right. Oh, shit. Those things are kind of awesome.
That's one way to do it. See that? Get back. Come on. Just stay close. Come on.
I got you.
Damn it, Bill!
What just happened?
Another one of Bill's stupid traps. There, that fridge, it looks like that's a counterweight.
Okay.
Cut that rope, and it'll bring me down.
On it! Joel!
shit, here they come.
Just hang to the rope!
Ellie, how's it looking? Good time, Ellie.
Hold on.
You all right?
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it. God damn it.
Come on. It's not cutting.
Just hurry. Ellie, they're getting close!
Let go, fucker!
Get off your ass and on your feet.
Which way? All right, we'll, cut through. Come on, here.
Come on, Ellie.
Damn. Where's that goddamn key?
Guys, behind us!
Come on!
Don't slow down. This place ain't secure.
Bill, they're coming to the door!
Fucking knew it. Take them out. That's our only way through.
Ellie, stay back! Stay back!
All right. Come on, we're almost there. Follow me.
Oh, shit. God damn it, they're coming over!
Come on! They're getting through! Keep going, this way, to the truck!
Move, Ellie, move!
It's open!
Man, that was close. Thanks for the heroics and all. Ellie. Hey, what are you... Joel?
Bill!
What are you doing?
Bill!
Let me go.
Turn around and get on your knees.
Just calm down a second.
Turn around
All right.
and get on your knees. Don't test me. Just
Take it easy.
any bites? Oh. Anything sprouting?
Oh, God damn it, I'm clean!
If I see so much as a trick. Ow!
Stop!
Son of a bitch!
You done?
Am I done? You come into my house, you set off all my traps, you damn near break my shooting arm. Who the fuck is this punk and what's she doing here?
I am none of your goddamn business, and we're here because you owe Joel some favors. And you can start by taking these off.
I owe Joel some favors. Is some kind of joke?
I'll cut to the chase. I need a car.
Well, it is a joke. Joel needs a car. Well, if I had one that works, which I sure as hell don't, what makes you think I'd just give it to you? Huh? Yeah, sure, Joel. Go ahead. Take my card. Take all my food, too, while you're at it.
By the looks of it, you could lose some of that food.
Listen to me, you little shit.
No, fuck you! You handcuffed me!
I need you to shut up. All right?
Whatever favors you think I owe you ain't worth that much.
Actually, Bill, they are.
Well, it don't matter, because I don't have a car that works.
But there is one in this town.
Parts. There are parts in this town.
Meaning that you could fix one up.
All right. If I'm gonna do this, there's some gear I'm gonna need.
All right.
It's on the other side of town. Now you help me go gather it, and maybe I can put something together that runs. But after this, I owe you nothing.
That's fine. A couple of days from now, we'll probably be dead anyway.
Good. Follow me. Whole goddamn town's booby trapped. Best stay right on my ass.
Can't miss it.
Knock it off.
All right.